Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at the very new, very shiny UX581 ZenBook Pro Duo. It's an all-in-all complete laptop for all type of creators with dual displays, 4K dual displays that is, and a very powerful i9 processor and an RTX 2060 graphic card. It comes with some goodies and a very lovely design. Let's talk about the machine. So this is the new UX581, the ZenBook Pro Duo, a very powerful beastly machine which has a i9 processor inside and an RTX 2060 graphic card. But the main part of this machine is the display. You get a 4K top display and a 4K bottom display. We call this the ScreenPad Plus, and combined this gives you the ability to do more and more creative work on this landscape. You can put multiple applications at the bottom row and multiple applications at the top row. You are given a stylus inside the box as well as a palm rest to go with the machine, and you can just draw at your will from the bottom as well as on the top. The best part is the entire keyboard is available to you, as well as you have the number pad. And for special treatment this time, this entire thing can be used as a separate panel, as a dedicated display, or you can have 3 applications. For example, I want to just open any of the applications. I can just open directly here. Even the Windows Explorer will open directly inside this small capable dual screen panel, and you can just quickly tap on the top and take it out from this position, pop it here or make it full screen just like this. Very simple, very intuitive, and since both screens are touch screen, you can use it anywhere you like. The best part you want to see is the display. This display is a Pantone validated 133% sRGB, Delta E less than 1.5, and Adobe RGB 100% display. This is a 500 nits OLED panel with a 1:1 contrast ratio. This is one of the best displays you will find in the market today. And powering all this, as I said earlier, is an i9 or RTX 2060. Very cool design inside. How the cooling has been done. So let's quickly close this down and see how the cooling works. So inside this 581, if I remove the panel, you'll see that it is all aluminum, very tough made machine. And inside the machine, you get to see the whole lot of cooling which is inside. So right off the bat, you can see the big battery here. This is more than this is 71 watt hour battery. And the 32 GB RAM is actually soldered on the machine. So it's behind this cover somewhere inside the motherboard. Here you also have the Wi-Fi card and the battery. This is the PCH. And the NVMe SSD is right here. It's a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, one of the fastest available today. Plus you get your 2060 graphic card, which is here, and then you have the i7 9750H, or you can also have this in an i9 processor. The cooling part is very good. So the cooling part is what we want to talk about here. Here the fans push in air and it's flown in. So inside the machine, there's the display and the motherboard. There's an empty space between that, and the airflow goes through that, cooling the entire panel out, and then it's pushed out through these fans. Also, these fans also cool these heat pipes, which take in hot of the hot temperature of this machine from this end to this end, and then cools the entire system. So that's the internal part of the UX581 ZenBook Pro Duo. We'll talk about more of the products in the next video.